Today we are going to go over taconeo, which is footwork. All right, so there's many different forms of footwork. Today we're going to go over two different pieces of technique. The first one is golpe, which is flat. So it's a flat foot. And you want to make sure that the movement comes from behind. You are not lifting the knees for it. You want to come from behind. So let's practice that. We'll just go right, left, right, left. So right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, now every time you're doing footwork, you want to always, have proper alignment. You want to keep the abs in, shoulders down. The knees are relaxed, so you don't want to bend your knees all the way, but you don't want to be up straight either. You want to be able to keep your knees relaxed, okay? So let's just practice that for a little bit, and then we'll go on to the next one. So again, we have right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now let's try doubling it of going right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, our next technique is takon, which is just the heel. So when you're doing the heel, you want to make sure that the ball of the foot stays on the ground. So you're not lifting the whole foot to get that heel. You want to be able to really dig in to get that heel. So that really takes some flexibility and mobility in the plantar of your foot. So it's something that you work towards, right? So stretch out those toes to get that heel. You want to get articulate heels. All right, so again, let's just practice that of just alternating. Okay, so that we have golpe, takon. Golpe, takon. Okay, let's try that again. So, golpe, takon. Again, golpe, takon. Now let's start it on the left side. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. One more time. Heel, heel. Good. So let's start off a little combination then with this footwork. So we are going to go golpe, heel, heel, heel. And then on the left, golpe, heel, heel, heel. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, and heel, 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 and flat, heel, heel, heel. One more time. Flat, heel, 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 and flat, heel, heel, heel. All right, and now the next part of it, we did 4, then we're going to go 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the last part is we're going to do a little golpe run. Ta, ka, ta, ka, ta. So 1 and 2 and 3. Right, left, right. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Da, ga, da, ga, da. So we have our little combination. We have flat, 2, 3, 4, left, flat, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, right. Okay, again, we have and. I'll play palmas, but you keep your hands on your hips, okay? So we have and flat, heel, 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 left, flat, heel, 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 right, heel, left, heel, right, left, right. Okay, so I want you to notice that the first part, every move gets a palma, a beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But now it's counter time. Da, ga, da, ga, da. 1 and 2 and 3. Something to remember. Okay, so let's put it all together and then we'll drill it with music. So we have flat, heel, 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 and flat, heel, 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 right, left, da, ga, da, ga, da. All right, let's try it with solo compás. You ready? 5, 6, here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, da, ga, da, ga, da. Okay. Here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, da, ga, da, ga, da. Now don't, make sure you're not bouncing. You want to keep those knees relaxed, okay? Again, 5, 6, here we go, and right, and left, right, left, da, ga, da, ga, da. Here we go, and 1, right, left, da, ga, da, ga, da. One more time at this tempo. 5, 6, 7, and right, and left, right, left, da, ga, da, ga, da. Ole. Let's go a little faster. Okay. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and right, and left, right, left, ah. Again. Here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and right, and left. Bum, bum, ba, 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 bum. 5, 6, 7, and right. 2, 3, 4, left. Flat heel, da, ga, da, ga, da. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and flat heel, left, right, left. Da, ga, da, ga. Now let's do it with the music, with the guitar. Ready? 5, 6, here we go, and right, left, right, left, da, ga, da, ga, da. Ready? 5, 6, here we go, and right, left, right, left, da, ga, da, ga, da. Again. Here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, right, last time. 5, 6, here we go, and 1, 2. Thanks for joining me in today's lesson. If you want to continue your flamenco journey with me, I would love to have you inside my Online Flamenco Studio. It's a monthly membership for dancers from new beginners all the way through advanced levels, and we speak, feel, and dance flamenco in there. There are over 60 courses in choreographies, technique, and flamenco theory, plus a vibrant community of dancers from all around the world that you connect with. And we have monthly challenges, workouts, training sessions, practice sessions, everything that you need to progress in your flamenco journey so you can become the dancer that you dream about. And if you want to join us, there is a 10-day free trial that you can get right now. So I hope to see you in there.